If you've been looking for an easy way to export Evernote to Google Keep, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple manual method to move your notes from Evernote into Google Keep quickly, so you can keep everything organized in one place. This is great if you're switching apps, cleaning up your workflow, or just want a faster way to access your notes across devices. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open the Evernote desktop app on your Mac or Windows PC and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Once Evernote opens, go to the Notes list and click the note you want to transfer. This will open the note so you can copy its content. Now, to copy everything inside the note, use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on Mac to select all the text, then press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac to copy it to your clipboard. If your note includes text, checklists, or basic formatting, this method will bring over the content in a simple pasted form. Next, open your web browser and go to Google Keep. You can visit keep.google.com directly, and once the page loads, sign in with the Google account where you want the note saved. After you're in Google Keep, look for the Take a Note box at the top of the screen. Click inside that box, then paste your copied Evernote content using Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. You'll see the note appear in Keep right away. From there, you can edit the title, add labels, pin it, change the background color, or organize it however you want. If the note is long, take a moment to scroll through and make sure everything pasted correctly. Then click Close to save it. To export more notes from Evernote, just repeat the same process for each one. Open the next note in Evernote, copy the content, switch back to Google Keep, paste it into a new note, and save it. This is the fastest free method if you only need to move a few notes and don't want to use third-party tools or complicated imports. It's also a good option if you want to keep things simple and manually control exactly what gets transferred. One thing to keep in mind is that this is more of a copy and paste transfer than a full automated export, so attachments and advanced formatting may not carry over perfectly. But for standard note content, it works well and gets the job done fast. If you're moving a whole collection of notes, this process may take some time, but it's still straightforward and easy to follow. And that's how you export Evernote to Google. Keep using a quick manual method. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what app you want to transfer next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.